Better late than never, they say, right? It's almost, I think it's a little past 11, getting close to midnight. But had to work Saturday. Had to go into the office after not being there for, I don't know, since March. But we had to go in there over the weekend, which was just a few of us. Practice our social distance and everything. But didn't get a chance to get much of a ride in, so before this weekend's over, I most definitely wanted to get my bike ride in. Here it is. So I had to put a water bottle on because I plan on going at least 10 miles today. We'll see. Beautiful weather out. It's a little wobbly. I'm riding one-handed, obviously recording. I'm not rich and have a GoPro like everyone else, but so I gotta do all the recording manually. Hopefully I don't wipe out. If I do, it won't be the first, won't be the last, right? And I guess I just laugh at that too. Going past the memorial here for our servicemen. Took my hat off a little bit. My father was in the Army, so I kind of always favor that one a little. Don't know why, I just do. I was never in the service, but still respect them all. To the ones that served and currently serving, and all our veterans. Anyways, enough of that. Not that there's ever enough, but respect for our servicemen. But back to the ride. The less cars, the better. Like I said before, we got my light there. Put my light there. Gotta let these cars see us. And I'll probably stay away from most busy streets. I mean, every now and then you gotta go through one. But I'll stay on the side roads. Well, anyways, I'm gonna get to the ride. Bye. So here's one of the things that I hate about cruising in the city that doesn't care about bikers. How the hell is anybody supposed to ride past that or walk past that? Luckily this is here. But look at this. Again, I'm telling you, whoever designed this area is one dumb motherfucker. Yep. So, and obviously I'm not going to cruise on the street because how close them cars go. But it's like, and hopefully I don't wipe out because I'm riding one-handed right now so I can record it. But look at this. Curbs messed up. And people wonder why I feel like moving to San Diego or Arizona or something like that. Ride my bike year round. It's ridiculous. Yeah, nice. Way to have the curb lift up. What a joke. Anyways, let me get back to my riding before I wipe out trying to videotape this. Then you have something to laugh about. Yep, real smart. They couldn't go a couple more feet to the right or it'd be in the grass. Nope. Let's put a post right in the middle of the sidewalk. Some dumb motherfuckers running this government. Anyways, not to get political, but I just did. Alright, bye. Well, I'm halfway. I made just under 5 miles, so 5 miles back would be 10 miles. So now I'm taking the back roads, so I should get even less traffic. Just some truck drivers getting in that OT. Well, probably straight time for them, unfortunately. But, and we'll get another tour through the cemetery. Well, past it anyway, not through it. Sometimes at nighttime over here, I seen not different coyotes, but like on multiple times I seen coyotes. So one at a time, not a pack. So hopefully I don't see them today because I'm on a bike. But I'm sure they'll leave me alone. I hope. Ain't trying to get bit by one. Thankfully, it looks like it's going to be a boring video. These tracks are old, so I'm going to take them a little bit of an angle so I don't wipe out. Almost lost my water bottle on that ride, on that tracks. Yeah, back there and back here is where I seen them. I guess that's their hideout over there. Lots of places to hide. But didn't see some, so there should be a boring ride the way back home. It's just a straight shot, straight past the cemetery and straight home. Hopefully no coyotes or dead people or zombies follow me home. I'm trying to get some sleep tonight. Don't need to be woken up. Yeah, this is what I do when I get bored at nighttime. I used to go out and get a drink of beer when I couldn't sleep, but go to a bar and get a beer, but now it's not always a good idea. Alright, well I'm gonna start recording now so I can record when I go past the cemetery. That's good. No one's chasing us. It's pretty good that no one's chasing you, especially when you're going past the cemetery. And it's almost midnight. Better get out of here before midnight. Is there any full moon out? Nope. No, that's not a moon, that's the light. No moon, so that's good. Yeah, maybe I've been watching too many scary movies lately. Well, what else are you gonna do, right? Comedies, actions, and scary movies. Anyways, that's my ride. The rest of it I'm gonna try and sprint. I think it's like 3 miles left, 2 miles left. And I'm gonna try and pick up the speed to finish off strong. So, can't do that while I'm on the bike because I'll definitely wipe out avoiding some of these potholes, some of these people coming. Yep, we stay on the right. Alright people, out, I'm out, peace. So now I'm just sitting here trying to get my last 2 miles. I had 8 miles and I was about 2 blocks from home, so I kind of detoured, trying to go in a mile out and come back in. I'm already out, might as well get my 10 miles. As my brother says. Yeah, he's not out riding. Fucking smart guy. Alright, guys. Little tennis court. Kids playground. Another one over there. There's an adults playground, a bar. Let me figure out how much more I got to go.